Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use ChatGPT to create a picture. So let's get started. First thing first, make sure to open a web browser and navigate to chatopenai.com. If you have never registered for an account, then the website will prompt you to create one or sign in if you do. You might not be able to use ChatGPT during periods of high demand, but you can attempt again at a later time once you can. So once you have logged into your account, make sure that you upgrade to the ChatGPT 4, as in ChatGPT Plus. You'll have to pay for it or subscribe for it in order to get it, because ChatGPT free version cannot directly create images. It can only describe one for you. So in order to get a direct image, you'll have to have the ChatGPT 4. And once you're inside the ChatGPT 4, provide a description of the image you want to create, such as a photograph or a work of art, is up to you. To customize your image, you must decide on its size, color scheme, background design, and other elements. Additionally, you can provide whatever content you wish to show next to the image, such as introduction or title. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.